Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me WDO. Now it's been a long time since I made my last video, but now I'm gonna make something new. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about how to make a spoon cover, something like this. Yeah, isn't it cute? Yeah, as you can see, this is a pork. Yeah, and there's a cover on it, so it will be good for you if you want to make a handicraft like this and do something like this. Yeah, a spoon cover, something like this. Okay, so how to make it, I'm gonna tell you and show you in this video. Okay, just let's check this video out. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside, and then first of all, okay, I'm gonna put it aside. What you need is a paper or a tissue, but not this one, not the square one, but this one, the long square. Yeah, the paper like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one, the square one, aside and use only this one. Okay, so what you have to do, okay, what you have to do is fold it. Okay, fold, yeah, in the middle, fold it. Okay, fold it in the middle, something like this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fold it. Okay, already folded. Okay, already folded, and then after you fold it, make a fold also in here, in the middle, something like this. Okay, and then open it up again, so you can see a straight line there, and then you fold the upper side like this. Yeah, if you already can make an aeroplane, origami aeroplane, maybe you friendly with this kind of movement. Okay, something like this. Yeah, you make a fold in the upper side, so make something like a triangle on the top side. Okay, after that, what you need to do is in the bottom, there's two layer of the tissue or the paper, two layer, and the upper layer you make a fold on the upper layer, something like that, one fold, and then the second fold. Okay, and then third fold. Okay, the third fold, something like that. Okay, so that is the third fold. After that, what you need to do is you flip it. Yeah, you flip it down like that. Yeah, you flip it, and then you make a fold again. Yeah, in the right side and the left side. So make sure is the fold is a bit bigger, you know, something like this. Okay, so it's a bit bigger, a bit big. Okay, the fold, and then in the other side, something like that. Okay, so okay, something like this. So they're already folded, and then this one, yeah, what you need to do is fold it again, something like this. Yeah, in order to make it like a maybe a triangle. Okay, and then you fold it. Yeah, and then you put it here. You put it inside. Yeah, put it inside. Okay, put it inside here. Okay, put it inside, and then voila, you already has the spoon cover. And then you take your spoon and then put it inside. So you already made a spoon cover. Wow, lovely, isn't it? You can try this at home. Maybe you can slow down my video so you can follow it step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video, maybe if it's a worthy to share. Okay, ciao ciao.